Handy Hudsonite here, and I wanted to share with you that it's okay if you don't know how to do things for yourself when it comes to car repair, when it comes to doing things around your house, when it comes to things that may go wrong with your technology, whether it's your laptop, your phone, tablet, whatever it is. It's okay. I had a starting place too where I needed to learn how to do things for myself. And I hadn't always done things that way. I grew up with a lot of things being done for me. Our family would hire out for something to be repaired. There were times where we did fix things ourselves, but we would have somebody come and do a repair, or we'd take our car to the shop to be repaired. I haven't always known how to do these things, but it wasn't until a friend of mine encouraged me to figure out how to do something on my car, because it was going to cost me significantly more to take it into the shop to have somebody else do it. Now, I want to be sensitive to those of you who either this is not an option because you don't have a place to work on your car, or you are in a situation where it's just terrifying to be able to do something to your car. And I understand that, and so that's why I also want to be able to give tips for you on when you take it to the shop, to a repair person, what to look out for, how to find a good place to get your car repaired. Make sure to check out that video that I put up a while back, and to make sure you're getting the best service for your money. So if you want to learn how to work on your own things around the house, on your car, whatever it might be, then I am here for that as well, because it's great to be handy, to know how to take care of maintenance issues, simple fixes that come up in our daily lives, and we can't avoid them. Things are going to break, things are going to need to be serviced or maintained. And a lot of times it's just a click away to watch a video on how to do something, and I want to be able to provide resources for you to be able to do that with repairs or maintenance that might be a little bit more complicated, all the way to things that are very simple to take care of and may only take a couple of minutes to get the job done. Now, over the years, I've learned, as I've done certain things over and over, how to do them more effectively, tricks and tips to know how to get them done faster, or to get them done in a safer way or more effectively, and I want to be able to share those as well. So be sure to check out my entire playlist. I have a lot of videos up on a number of different topics, from how to work on your car, to tips for commuting, to the best way to heat your house when you have a wood-burning stove, to a number of things in between that can be helpful for you, or maybe it's helpful for a friend or family member of yours. Feel free to pass my video links along to someone else and let them benefit from what I've learned along the way. And a lot of times my videos are done because I have to do these things anyway. I build them into my daily and weekly schedule. If I'm working on my car, I just decide to simply get my camera equipment out and film what I'm doing. Or if it's something that I'm cleaning around the house, or that I need to service or maintenance in some aspect of my property, then I decide to just take my camera along and record and document what I'm doing. So this is simply how I'm making these videos, and you may have noticed that my videos have become much more simplistic as I've gone along. I did a lot of editing on my earlier videos and just realized that just took a large amount of my time to edit that footage. Even though I enjoy doing it, I wanted to be able to release videos more often, to have a wide variety of topics that you could benefit from, or that someone you know can benefit from. So when you see a video and it may not apply directly to your situation, think of someone that you can pass the video on to. I challenge you to do that. I encourage you to pass my videos on so that they can benefit people who need to know how to do these certain tasks or repairs, and then my channel will grow. You will strengthen your friendships because you can pass along something of value to them. And there might be videos here that you might need to refer to many times over coming months in order to be reminded of how to do something, and that's great as well. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this entire video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Hit the notification bell, and YouTube recently updated the way that notifications work. There is a way to choose all notifications, and I would encourage you to hit that part of the bell so that you can get every video of mine that pops up on your phone or on your laptop. And I will be sure to see you in the next video.